And yes, my house is an absolute wreck because I'm packing. Good morning, dreamers. It is a Saturday morning. There's Bentley joining us. Hi, uninvited guest. Hello. Lindsay requested a day in the life with me and the Dragon Pups, and since we are working on moving vlogs, I figured we would kind of hit two birds with one stone here. Right now, I'm gonna take you with me and we are going to go a couple towns over and we're gonna go look at a rental place. Got a little dust on your lens, sorry. I totally fell in love. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a new space. It's gonna be a new filming backdrop for you guys. That's a couple of months away, but I just wanted to let you guys know. If you're wondering more details, I'm not giving you more details because something that you may not have noticed is that I do not disclose my location. Like, I don't disclose any specifics. You guys don't even know what state I live in. I mean, if you do, please keep it to yourself because frankly, it's not common knowledge. But I do that for my own personal safety and for my own personal reasons. There are people in my life that are even my own flesh and blood that don't have any right to know where I am. That's kind of why I keep as private as I do. I'm not gonna get into that. So I'm very private about where I am just because I've learned that blood relation means nothing if the people don't have your best interests at heart. So I do protect myself for that reason. I can't trust even you wonderful strangers on the internet. I mean, some of you that I have a relationship with outside of this platform, that's different. If I could show you guys the space without compromising my own privacy and safety, I would do that, but I don't think I'm really in a place to do that yet. It is bright and early. It is about 8 a.m. and I'm gonna make some breakfast. Oh, pups are gonna play. Get her, bud. Get her. Get her, bud. Oh, here they go. Oh, yeah. What are you doing? You gonna get her? Are you gonna get him? As usual, they're showing off because it's morning and they want something. And now is when they start begging for eats. Yeah. Look at the eye contact when I eat. Yeah. Yeah, I know. These two are like toddlers that never learned to talk. So it really, like, she's jumping up on me too now. Like, did you mean it? Did you say it? You said it, right? Hi. No, you may not get on the table. You may get down. Here's the girl. Darcy. Darcy. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Oh, good morning. We are very cute. Please give us love. Let's do this thing. I know. And yes, my house is an absolute wreck because I'm packing. You have to see this though, because he is literally insane. So you need to sit and you need to stay. No, you sit. Yeah, and you stay. Sit! Sit down. Oh, a freebie. Oh, what a lucky boy. Sit down. That's what happens when mommy pours with her left hand and films with her dominant one. Oh, another freebie. Sit down, boy. You stay. You sit and you stay. Darcy's being a good girl over here sitting and staying. Stay like a good girl. Benny, you sit down. Sit down. She's being good. Benny, sit and stay. Stay. Sit and stay. Good kids. Good job. He's gonna inhale this in less than 30 seconds and then he'll be back sitting with me. Oh, this is Darcy's favorite toy. Every day when she's done eating and going outside and all that stuff, she comes and she finds this toy and she cries like she's sad, but she really just wants to play. It's adorable. If I can catch her doing it today, I will. Every time I turn on the camera, she stops crying. I've tried to capture it many times. Go grab my breakfast because I'm hungry too. My walls are very bare and sad now because you know, we don't really need decor. You can pack all that. My one picture that's still up, it's this giant canvas for my wedding. Well, actually I still have a little sign guy up too. Bentley, you already done? Yes. Okay, for the record, I have not stopped recording. It's been less than 30 seconds. Take me out. I'm ready. You gotta wait for your sister and then we'll do that, okay? Look at that face. Where's my Benny boo? Benny, are you the cutest boo boy? He always hangs out right here because that vent is blowing hot air right now. Time for some breakfast. We're in my messy kitchen. If I'm gonna crave food, I crave Chipotle, and it's kind of ridiculous. And my microwave is beeping because I have queso in there that I started warming up and then forgot about and went upstairs to start filming for you. So, Darcy, can you see her back there? She's at the top of the stairs. Oh, Darce. Hi, girl. You ready? Do you wanna poop? Do you need to poop? Yeah. Okay. I am going to have a terrible breakfast, and it's queso. Last night I was out running errands right before my husband got home from work, and he was headed home and was like, is there anything I can stop and pick up for you? Like, do you need anything? And I was like, which I thought was super thoughtful, but I just happened to be out running errands, and I was like, no, I can't really think of anything, but thanks. It took me a second to reply. He texts back saying, I took a guess. Looking so glamorous in this in this day in the life vlog. I am wearing this super soft like blanket robe because it's cold. More like winter than fall. I mean, I got the fall colors, don't get me wrong, but like it went from about 80 or 85 degrees to snowing in a week. So like, can we just slow down? No more snow, thankfully. It's warmed up a tad, but not much. I am moving. Doing my best to keep it together. It's kind of chaotic around here, as you may have noticed. I'm not a messy person, but my house is an absolute wreck right now. Frankly, I love vlogging. I love editing it. I love shooting it. So, I wanted to do a day in the life for you guys. And I've also been trying to get some footage of like me packing and stuff just because I wanted to do moving vlogs for you guys. So, I hope you guys enjoy this more kind of casual style. Just taking you around with me. I'm just having my multivitamin really quickly. I'm ready to eat some queso. I don't know about you. Since it's Saturday morning and I'm eating breakfast alone, I'm going to catch up on some YouTube videos. Get in your blanket. The rule is, if we are here at the dining room table, they have to be over there on the couch in a blanket so they are not staring and begging. She's upstairs laying down somewhere, so she's fine, but he is the one who is very, very food motivated. I've actually caught him on this table. For whatever reason, these chairs don't push in all the way, so he can always get up here. So I can't even leave food on my own dining room table because my dog will eat it. Normally on Saturday mornings, I'm also replying to your comments because usually my videos go up fresh for you on Saturday morning, but I actually finished it early, so it went up last night. So if you are late to that, make sure you go check out my latest video. I started telling you guys a funny story and I never finished it, but when I came home last night, the guess that Mitchell had was that I was craving Chipotle, which, I mean, 6 out of 7 days a week is pretty accurate. He picked up my regular Chipotle order for me on the way home. What he didn't know is that just half an hour before that, I had done the same thing because I had worked through lunch and just realized how hungry I was while I was out running errands. So I had just grabbed Chipotle and he picked up Chipotle for me as well. So now I have Chipotle leftovers for like breakfast and lunch today. Hence, queso for breakfast because why not? All right, now back to my YouTube videos. I just turned the camera off, but I just heard a sound that I think we want to capture. Darce! She knows I'm filming, I swear. She is the most intuitive dog. Darcy, do you have your mitten? I haven't earned your song yet. Where's your song? Darcy, where's your song? You're embarrassing me. Oh, girl.
What do you think of that mitten? What? This mitten? Oh! Go get it! Darcy, get your mitten! Darcy, mitten! Get your mitten. Goofy girl. You're not gonna bring it back? Darcy, it's very rude to start a game and then walk away. She plays fetch the opposite way. She goes and chases the toy and then brings the toy where she wants me to go. Who's in there? Is that Benny? Is Benny in there? Yeah. I bet he is. I bet he's in that blanket right back there. She comes. Here she comes. Oh, Doodlebug. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, yeah. You're just the sweetest thing, aren't you?
To show you guys my hair color now that it's all styled. This is the first time I've styled it since we went silver, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in natural daylight. I'm really loving it. I hope you guys are too. Clearly I planned all this video out in advance, and it's not at all what happens to me in a day just happening to me. Actually, that's exactly what this video is. My friend is running a little behind, and I just wanted to show you guys the overarching theme of my everyday life. I looked up from my last clip that I was filming for you guys and caught my dog staring at me in the mirror. Hello, human. It is 11 a.m. We still have not snuggled. This is wrong. Here she is. This is all she wants. She wants a mommy lap. That is all she wants in the whole world. See you guys later. Hey there, dreamers. I just wanted to check in. I have a full face of makeup on. I'm sorry I didn't update you sooner. Got a little dog hair on ya. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. Let's see if we can get some decent light. I just have a kind of neutral smoky eye going on, all mattes on my eyes except for my inner corner. We're gonna go take some pictures while there's still some fall leaves. My husband is much better at taking pictures than I am, so I have a lot of faith that this is gonna go well. We are in the car now, headed away from our shooting destination.
Can I do a thing?
Yeah. Not that thing. Slam on the brakes while I'm vlogging. What a jerk. Anyway, we just got done taking some pictures down by some beautiful yellow trees that you may be seeing in the window as we drive by. And hopefully we got some good shots that you guys will be seeing over the next few weeks during this fall season. Anyway, I think we are going to head out to a little date night, so I'm going to sign off for now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will continue making moving vlogs, so you guys will get to see a little bit more of the chaos kind of coming together. If you're excited for those, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you enjoyed this video, that helps me out a lot. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!